morning, everyone. Usually I don't really vlog in the morning, but look outside. It's snowing. Look at that. The first snow of 2015. And I'm actually about to get off of the phone because I need to focus on the road. Be safe on the road, kids. Alright, I remember last year when it was snowing, I always got stuck on this part coming into my neighborhood. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Come on, get up there. You got it. You got it. Let's go. You got it. Come on. Yeah. First time getting up the hill. Let's go. Alright. Whew. Alright, hard part is over. Now, time to go home. Almost home. Alright, what is up, guys? I'm officially sick. This really sucks. I have a sore throat, I'm tired, I have a headache, and I just feel like utter poop. I'll try to censor it for you. But anyway, I gotta go check the first year vlog and see about this time when I first got sick. I wanna see if there's like a pattern and stuff like that, or something like that. But I hate getting sick. I really do, because I got important stuff to do, like at school, work, stuff like that. You know, I can't afford, well, not afford, but well, I guess you could say that. But I can't, you know, handle being sick at, you know, this time. But I don't have any control of that. But, so this is probably going to be a short vlog. Sorry to tell you that. I hate when there's short vlogs. I like it when there's about a 6 to 10 minute vlog. That'd be nice for y'all. But, once again, I can't control that. Unless if I just do like this the whole entire 5 more minutes. Show you a video of me driving, but I don't know. When I get home, I'll show you all the progress of the zombie looking thingamabobber. So I'll see you when I get home.
Hello, this is Joey's mother. I'm doing his vlog tonight because he's sick.
I'm just chilling on the couch here. Look.
See?
No. You can't see my face.
I can't see your face.
Just turn the phone around, Mom. Turn the phone around. There you go. God, you're bad at vlogging. My mom's gonna film the zombie part. I'm just too tired. So, do you know how to do this, Mom?
No.
Alright, so now you can go to the zombie thing and then talk about it, but there you go.
Okay, here we go. To the zombie man that we put in the jar yesterday. He fell over. Let's see if we can make him stand up. Maybe, come on. Oh, he's growing, but I can't see. Okay. Wait. Whoop.
Don't spill it.
What?
I know, it's hard to do it with one hand.
Yes, it is.
That's
Whoop.
what she said.
Whoop. Oh. There we go. He's kind of half-ass standing up. Whoop. There we go. Oh, now he's laying back down.
Oh, well, whatever.
I guess that's what zombies do. We will continue this tomorrow and see how big our zombie gets.
Alright.
And
So that will do it for today's vlog. I'm actually editing the vlog right now, so I'll talk to y'all later. Until next time, Joey St. Pierre, Breaking 365, signing out. Peace.
Me and the boys, we gonna keep on rocking.